Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. And those who are new to my channel, hi, it's me Shreya. Today I did this makeup look. It's a soft glam makeup look, which you can do on general basis, like if you're going out, going for a brunch, you can do this makeup look and it really love the way it turns out. And if you want to create this look, so let's begin. And before that, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video you will be notified. So let's get started. So let's just start with the moisturizations. Just to get that perfect flawless makeup, your base has to be strong. So you have to moisturize your skin so well. For even if you're oily skin girl or a sensitive skin girl, you have to moisturize your face. So for that I'll be using plum green tea revitalizing face mist, and I'm going to spray all over my face. So fresh. This you can use anytime, like if you are going somewhere out and you're feeling very tired, just spray and you're good to go. So next I'll be using this White Seed Brightening Serum from Face Shop. I love this serum. It really make your skin so soft, supple, hydrating at the same time. And just gonna apply. For moisturizer, I'll be using this Colorbar Water Bomb. I love this moisturizer before makeup because it literally makes your makeup, your base very juicy, very light, very nice. And I have taken 2 pump of it and just gonna apply. You can see the glow, the hydration, the juiciness of this moisturizer literally makes your skin so soft. I really like this moisturizer, and I'm going to restock it soon because it's getting over. And now for primer, I'll be using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. It has a silicone texture, and just gonna dab it. Alright, so now for corrector, I'll be using Sugar Corrector Stick in the shade Peach, and I'm going to apply it on my under eye. And now just to blend it, and for that I'll be using this Cuffs and Lashes Beauty Blender. It's very affordable and the sponge is really nice. The beauty blender is really soft, and just dab it. And guys, I just want to tell you that this Sugar Peach corrector is super amazing. You can see how it covers all my dark circles, all the pigmentation that I have. It reduces everything, covers everything. The peach corrector is really amazing if you have very less spots or less dark circles. So you can use this peach corrector. If you have more dark circles and your dark circles is very visible, so you have to use the orange corrector. So be very careful about the corrector what you have to use. But let me just tell you, this covers everything. You can see how it covers. Like I really like this product. So now for foundation, I'll be using this Kryolan stick. This is FS40, and let me just check the shade. But does this matches? Yeah, this matches my skin tone, as you can see. I'll be using this PAC 288 brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit and apply under my eyes. This is the best for your concealer also. This really works very well. I'm just going to dab it with the beauty blender. There should be no harsh lines. To highlight, I'll be using Swiss Beauty concealer, and I'm in the shade 04, and just going to apply on inner side and the outer side, very less. That's all. Little bit here, bridge of my nose here. Yeah, that's all. just to set my under eyes and wherever I have applied concealer, I'm going to use this Pack Loose powder. It's a translucent powder, and I'm going to use brush. It's Pack 231. For my eyeshadow, I'll be using this LA Girl Eye Luxe Mesmerizing Eyeshadow in the shade Harmonize, and I'm going to use this particular shade. I'm going to dip it a little bit and just start blending on my crease. And just to deepen it, I'll be using this particular shade with the flat brush. So I'll be using this particular shade and going to apply a little bit here. Do you see that how pigmented these colors are? Really nice, and this palette is really affordable also. I bought it for around 350. My lower lash line, I'll be using this shade and just going to apply. I am going to apply this particular color as my bronzer. So for that, I'll be using this Pack 211 brush color. So I'm just removing all the excess because it's really pigmented, and just going to apply. Oh. You have to start from your inner side, like from here, and then come out. It's too pigmented. Just to get that perfect sharpness. For blush, I'll be using Miss Claire blusher in the shade 07, and this is too shimmery. As you can see, it's very shimmery, not too. And just going to apply. Just going to use mascara, and for that I'll be using number 7 mascara. To set my makeup, I'll be using this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer, and I'm going to spray it. Now let me just tell you, I really not like the fragrance. It's too strong, but I like the this fixer. It really locks your makeup. And highlight, I'll be using this Pro Art brush, and I'm going to use my Smashbox Cali Contour palette, and I'm going to use this particular highlighter. Lips, I'll be using this soft contouring lip liner from Essence, and I'm going to fill in my lips. I'll be using this Faces Canada. This is in the shade Splendid Iris. It's really nice, very matte. So yeah, this is my final look, and this is what I do generally. Yeah, so that's all about it. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, bye. Love you.